Cooking is an art. Not everyone enjoys cooking. It takes a lot of time and attention. Cooking is multitasking. Your hands and eyes are busy when you are cooking. It is not very easy to use your smartphones to refer to a recipe or to set a cooking timer. Cooking timers become even more challenging when you are cooking multiple dishes. You do not know how long to set the time, and you do not know which dish is ready when the cooking timer goes off. That's why we created world's first voice-assisted smartest cooking timer ever. Introducing Klove.
Using Klove knob is very simple. Just turn on your stove to start cooking with Klove. Talk to Klove through Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or your Klove app. Klove will ask you for a few details to get the best results. Klove uses artificial intelligence to set the perfect time automatically based on your inputs. And that's it. Klove will now track your cooking and will give you timely alerts, so you can spend some quality time or get more done. Klove can also remind you if you forget to turn off your stove. Klove uses artificial intelligence to learn your habits and tastes, so it only gets better every time you cook with Klove. Klove will let you know when your food is ready. Just turn off your knob and enjoy your meal.
Hey Kickstarters, we have been working on Klove now for more than 4 months now. We have made 3 versions of Klove now. We have taken feedback from close friends and families. We want to make cooking simple and smart. With your support, we can do that. Please back us so that we can take Klove now to mass production and make this dream come true. Please share this with your friends and families and make Klove now a reality. Thank you.